Boom! Welcome back to the Blood Clot channel. Today guys, I'll be working on this Kenworth T680. I am going to swap the auxiliary batteries, that's the factory Northstar AGM batteries, and I'll be replacing those with the excess power D3100 AGM battery. Stay tuned. So the reason why I am swapping the factory AGM batteries that came in this 2019 Kenworth T680 is because they went bad and they keep drawing power from the regular lead acid batteries. That's the starting batteries that's on the other side of the truck. The auxiliary batteries are right below here. I use it to run my EPU, that's the AC system, also my inverter and other auxiliary items whilst the truck is off, so that I can preserve the emission system. So these are the batteries that I'll be replacing. These are the excess power D3100. It's not a sponsored video, but I've been using this brand of battery in my car right here. I have two of them, one in the trunk, one in the engine bay where I run my sound system, and they have been holding up for quite some years. So if you want to run these same batteries, I'll leave a link in the description. Also, you want to get these, which are these studs, because these battery came with a M6 bolt that bolts directly in, so you will need this so that you have these studs. So including the batteries and these studs, you're going to also need a 17mm socket to take off this right here, and you're going to also need a 10mm and also a 13mm. That's all you need: 17mm, 13mm and 10mm. If you haven't seen my previous video how to access those auxiliary battery, I'll leave a link right above right here, so you can go and watch it and see how to access it. I'll just quickly take it off right now. Now, to get the battery cover off very quickly, we're going to use 17mm. And that's how you get it off. I had previously removed the Northstar AGM because, as I said earlier, they were destroying the starting batteries, which are lead acid. You don't want to mix AGM batteries with lead acid unless you have some sort of isolator, which this truck does have isolator on it. So due to these being bad, they were just pulling power from the lead acid and destroying it. So this is what I did to bypass these batteries. So let me install them real quick, get back. Thank you. Dalla on the beat. Dalla on the beat. you have it, guys. It's completed. So now I am going to put back the battery cover and all the rest of stuff that I took off. So guys, it's just a battery change, so just remember or take a picture of how you took off the battery posts and the bus bars and all of that, and just put it right back together. So yeah, that's how it's looking. So let's snap back these on to complete installation. Boom, here's it all back together. So if you have found any value or anything at all from this video, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.